Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your laptop OS and that you have enough disk space. This prevents installer errors. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug in power so the process won't interrupt. Next, download the Chrome installer and open it. You will see system prompts. Follow the installer dialogues to grant permissions. This lets Chrome integrate with your system. Make sure to read any options, like default browser, so you control how Chrome behaves after installation. You launch Chrome and encounter the welcome screen where basic settings appear. Take a moment to choose a default search engine and homepage. Next, sign in with your Google account so your bookmarks, passwords, and extensions sync across devices. This saves time later. Once signed in, adjust privacy settings, clear cookies preferences, and enable or disable sync features you prefer. Make sure to pin Chrome to the taskbar or dock so you can open it quickly the next time. You now use the Omnibox to search and navigate, type addresses, or queries directly. Customize Chrome by installing extensions and arranging bookmarks for faster access. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so security patches install. If you encounter slow performance, clear the cache and cookies first, then disable recent extensions to isolate issues. If Chrome crashes or won't open, reinstalling after a full uninstall often fixes corrupted files. Keep these troubleshooting steps handy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.